Oh, okay. I'm sorry, guys. I haven't uploaded yet for a while. It's spring break, so really, I just haven't uploaded or tried to upload. I have 2 videos I made before, and yeah. So I'm probably gonna post one of those today, and then one tomorrow. And I'm being really quiet because my throat hurts because I'm sick. So, yeah. And one more thing, I have not been playing Minecraft at all lately. So